Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I do want to just share with you my clean beauty product, which is this. And this is vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. So I've been using this product probably for about 4 to 5 months. Let's just say I've been using this product since the summertime. And this product actually surprised me. So I've been talking to a few friends and they've been saying like, yes, I've been using the hyaluronic acid. And, I'm like, okay, cool. You know, and vitamin C, I've heard of using vitamin C serum on your face. And what caught my attention is that I was watching TV and they were just talking about these celebrities and just different products that they just swear by, you know, as celebrities. And that includes like J-Lo and Taraji P. Henson and a few other beautiful ladies that, that they've interviewed. And so they focus on this one thing that they just cannot live without every day. And that was the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So I was like, let me try it then. So I was actually in Marshall's and I saw this on sale. So as you know, I like to try out things that are on sale or at a discounted price instead of paying full price. So I bought this serum and I've been using it. And the one thing that I can say about this serum, if nothing else, is that it gives your skin this natural glow. I'm a person who pretty much eats well, you know, I drink my water, but somehow with this serum, I have not seen my face glow as much as it does when I use this product. And I would say the best time to use it is in the morning before you put on your makeup, just so you could just have that natural glow. And then I recommend using this product in addition to your moisturizer or just a light oil like almond oil or even just a little bit of jojoba oil. I don't recommend using this serum by itself because I do notice that my face does get a little bit dry for some reason because I have really oily skin, which is odd. But in any case, I recommend mixing this with another light oil or even just using, your regular moisturizer at night and just use a little bit of this in the morning. So again, my clean beauty product of today is vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid. And just to give you some benefits of this product of this combination, is that, vitamin C, it brightens the skin, promotes collagen. It also reduces dark spots, which I did notice some of my dark spots have diminished or have lightened. It reduces fine lines. The hyaluronic acid helps the skin retain moisture, improves skin tone, which I've definitely noticed, and firmness. It also reduces wrinkles and fine lines. So again, the quick turnaround with this product, or what I notice immediately about this product, is just the natural glow that I get on my skin. So in addition, I read off all of the benefits of these two combination. So if you've tried it out, let me know what you think. If you know of any other serums that have benefited your skin, let me know so I can test it out and then I'll share it with you all. If you haven't tried it out, give it a shot. If you just want that natural glow and you probably still are working on your food, your eating habits, your diet, and drinking the water so you get that natural glow from your skin. If you're still working on that part, you probably want to buy this so that you can have that natural glow while God's still working on you when it comes to your eating habits and drinking more water.